So, let's see. Hello, I'm Greg, a sailor, a bagpiper, and a jack of all trades. On SV Slow Air, you've been seeing a lot of videos recently that I've been cranking out. Last spring, I'd wrapped up a big project with one of my employers and stopped that job, so I only had one 20-hour-a-week CFO gig. And I wasn't looking because I wanted to spend a lot of time working on the boat. So late May, all of June, all of July, I was just cranking on the boat and working and filming and working and filming and not doing any editing. And then summer rolled around and it was racing in my catboat, sailing in Slow Air, and just lots of, working around the yard, doing all those fun projects that summer in New England is there for. Really didn't do any editing. So this last fall, I really started cranking out doing the editing, and you've been seeing all winter as I've been posting sometimes 2 videos a week. I'm just trying to get caught up. And for crying out loud, you haven't even seen the boat launched yet. And we're rapidly approaching the next time where we're going to be launching again. So I am hoping to get all these videos from last season pumped out in the next 3 weeks or so, and can start posting all the new videos. So this is just a quick update on what's going on and what you're going to be seeing in the future. Down here in the shop right now, and it is a disaster area again, I have mahogany plywood, I have all of the doors, drawers. Basically, I'm now, I have moved into the interior of Slow Air. Last year was completely focused on the exterior. Now I've moved on to the interior, and then I'm not going to get the hull done this year. Next year, hopefully, we'll get to paint the top sides. So we painted the deck, the cockpit, basically everything above the gunnels was done last year. Down below is going to be done this year, redoing the head and everything else. And then next year we'll do the outside of the boat, and then the whole boat will be completely done from stem to stern. So anyway, thank you for following me. Thank you for your patience in putting up with my slow videos. Hopefully I'm back on track and getting things done on a slightly more timely basis. So again, hit the like button if you've enjoyed my content, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates when all the new videos are posted. Thank you for following SV Slow Air. See you on the next video.